see, hopefully I'm gonna put everything away. Let me move just, I don't gonna be able to move it because I'm gonna need help. Okay. It is a 2-tier acrylic monitor stand. Awesome. So you can see here in the box, it's pretty nice. Over here is economic, and safe space, which is very nice. Satisfaction guarantee, 100%. Yeah, this is how it should look. It is awesome. You can use actually, oof, I hiccup, the space. So this is the one that I got. You can put your computer there, it seems very heavy. The bags actually come just like this in this bags. When you are in Amazon, they ask you want an Amazon bags because this show the product in it. So but I was home, I was waiting for, and this is this nice big space. So let's see how that work. Let me open it so you guys see. And I'm gonna put it, one is gonna be, whoa, this is nice. Okay, let me put it like this. Wow, I had to say compact, very, very nice. The box, like you guys could see, is in a very nice condition, so no damages in any of the corner. This is a heavy acrylic. Look at how nice protected it is. Very heavy. So I'm just gonna open it. I just got this smile sign to make a new YouTube background, so let's see. Okay, it's very nice, very thick. Oh, it's little, oh no, I thought it was a scratch, but it looks like it's the same plastic there, but this one is very nice. Wow. It is nice. I love it so far. Very, very nice. Wow, it's so clear. Okay, so I'm doing this with only one hand, guys. So let's. So you can see, guys, the big difference. I love it. I just gonna wait for the mat, so I put the mat here and all this gonna be on top of it, but I don't planning to leave this specific there, but it's beautiful because I can put knockboards and anything there that I'm gonna be using more often. I can put it right here. It's gonna work perfect, and I can put on my keyboard on there when I finish working with it, so I don't have to leave it exposed. But you can see it's even higher, so it's gonna work perfect for me. I just love it. Oh, actually I can adjust it, so it's gonna work perfect for me. I love it, worth every single penny. Definitely, I wish I knew about this before. Nice big space. So I'm gonna let you know right now. So from here to here is 2.3 inches, and from here to the top is 5.5 inches in total, and from here to here is 18.9 inches, and from the wall to the front, the tip is 8.7 inches, so it's very nice. The thickness of this material is 0.3 inches, and the thickness of this material is 0.5, so it's awesome and work perfect. But now definitely I can use both space, the bottom and the top, which is amazing. I love it. What I can say, guys, I just need little bags to put on my cards. It's just nice, very nice. Very happy with the purchase so far. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, give a thumbs up, share this video to anybody that you think is gonna learn something from it, or it would be useful, this nice stand. And don't forget to smile, because you are beautiful. Have a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.